You and I, we press our bodies against the wind. My hands, they shake off the cold sea as I reach for your chin. 'Cause you and I are at it again. Waves come and go off the old pine, but our feet stay dry. Give me your eyes that you will like weapons against the sky. 'Cause what you're running from is already tied. Send me out to sea, 'cause I was born to be set free. And in my wildest dreams, we were sails up in the mast, just blowing in the breeze out to sea. 'Cause if the sea gets rough, we'll grab a bottle and go down below. We'll twist off and drink to the simple life that we've always known. Trouble, break like the dawn. Send me out to sea, 'cause I was born to be set free. And in my wildest dreams, we were sails up in the mast, just blowing in the breeze. Yeah. Drifting along now and singing our song. We roll up to the shore, heads held high and muscles strong. And I got a feeling we don't belong.